Using the LifterLMS WordPress plugin to manage your online courses, and you'd like to see how customers are navigating your site? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how customer journey tracking can help you and just how easy it is to set up using MonsterInsights. So let's get started. LifterLMS customer journey tracking is a way of seeing how online customers go through your site before purchasing a course. Now, you can use that information to optimize and streamline your customers' buying process and improve your conversion rates. Using customer journey reports, you can see which pages a customer visited starting from the very first page they landed on when they entered your site all the way through to the checkout process. And you can see if buyers are following the path that you expected, and it's going to reveal those hidden obstacles in your checkout flow. That way you can make adjustments to keep people on track. So here's how to quickly and easily set up user journey tracking for LifterLMS and WordPress. First, you'll need to download and install MonsterInsights. MonsterInsights allows you to easily connect your WordPress site with Google Analytics, both Universal Analytics and GA4, so you can view all the data that matters most right on your WordPress dashboard. And with just a click of a button, you can set up sophisticated tracking features, such as event tracking and e-commerce tracking. Plus, you can easily track forms, custom dimensions, outbound links, media, and many things that Google Analytics does not track right out of the box. So to get started, you'll need to install MonsterInsights. Be sure to choose a license level that has all the features that you're going to need, or you can get started with our light version from the WordPress repository. Now, for this tutorial, I'm going to be using MonsterInsights Pro. So head over to the MonsterInsights pricing page and select MonsterInsights Pro. Now, once you're all signed up, just go to your account area, then head over to the Download tab, and then download the zip file of the plugin to your computer. Next, log into your WordPress site, and then on the admin sidebar, click Plugins, and then select Add New. Then click the Upload Plugin button at the top of the page. Now you can either click Choose File, or you can just drag and drop the zip file here, and then click Install Now. Once that's done, just activate the MonsterInsights plugin. All right, now you'll need to connect Google Analytics 4 or Universal Analytics or both to your site. Now don't worry, just follow the steps in the setup wizard and the plugin will automatically add Google Analytics to your site without needing to edit any code. Now, if you'd like more details, just be sure to check out the link in the description to our guide on how to add Google Analytics to WordPress. Next, go to your admin sidebar and hover your mouse over Insights, and then click Add-ons, and then find the Ecommerce add-on, and then click Install. Now you have e-commerce tracking all set up and ready to go. Next, on that same page, you'll need to find the User Journey add-on. Then click the Install button. Terrific! Your site is now tracking customer behavior and you can start viewing it in WordPress. Now, once you've completed those steps, your site is going to start tracking customer journey data. As soon as a new customer buys a product on your site, you'll be able to view the details of the path to their purchase. Now, to see their user journey report, just look on your WordPress admin sidebar under the LifterLMS menu or the Orders menu. Next, click on Orders to see a list of all your LifterLMS orders. Then just click the order number, and you'll see the details page. Now, toward the bottom of the order details page, you're going to find a table named User Journey by MonsterInsights. Now, here you'll be able to see the customer's path on their way to making a purchase and checking out. The left column shows the time of day. The center column shows the page that your customer was on, and the third column records the time that they spent on each page. In the last row, the total elapsed time and number of steps is automatically calculated for you. Now, another cool feature of the user journey tracking is that it works even if a customer leaves your site and comes back the next day. Now, after you've set up customer journey tracking in LifterLMS, you're going to start collecting a ton of new information about your users. Now, once you have enough data, you'll start seeing patterns in your users' behavior that will tell you what your top customers want. Then you can make a few changes to your site's navigation and your content to create a better user experience, and that's going to lead to more sales and higher conversion rates for new and existing customers. Well, there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide on setting up customer journey tracking in LifterLMS. With MonsterInsights, you get the website stats that matter. See why over 3 million websites use us. If you're not already using MonsterInsights, there's a discount link in the description. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials, explainers, and helpful content like this. We'll see you next time.